Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Everyone uses performance ratio. Everyone uses availability percentage. Everyone uses capacity factor. But here's the truth. 92% of solar operators are optimizing for the wrong metrics. These industry standard metrics were designed 15 years ago by engineers, not operators. They look good on paper. They satisfy board meetings. But they hide real operational problems and prevent you from finding money. Today, I'm debunking 3 sacred cows of solar metrics and showing you what actually drives profit. Performance ratio was designed to be a one-number summary of site health. Simple, transparent, wrong. Availability. Percentage was designed as a maintenance SLA. It says, is the system connected, not is the system producing? Capacity factor was designed as an industry comparison metric. But comparing your 17% capacity factor to another site's 19% means nothing without understanding climate, soiling, design, and degradation differences. Together, these 3 metrics create a shell game where contractors look good, site health remains invisible, and you leave money on the table. You're thinking, these metrics have been audited by third parties. They're industry standards. That's exactly the problem. When everyone uses the same metric, everyone becomes comfortable with its limitations. It's like everyone in the industry agreed to measure temperature in Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. The metric is fine for comparison, but useless for diagnosis. You need diagnostic metrics, not comparison metrics. Here's what actually matters. Metric number 1, revenue per watt. Not how much energy did you produce, but how much money did that energy generate. This accounts for wholesale prices, time of use variations, curtailment, and ancillary services. This is what your bottom line cares about. Metric number 2, production variance by string. Compare each string to the site average under identical conditions. A string producing 12% below average is a data point. Discovering 5 strings with this pattern is a finding. Discovering this pattern accelerating over time is an operational issue requiring action. Metric number 3, availability weighted performance. Don't just measure uptime. Measure productive uptime. How many hours the site was online and producing within 85% of expected. A site that's online but producing 50% of expected isn't really available. Metric number 4, cost per recovery unit. When you discover an issue, how much does it cost to fix versus how much revenue recovery do you get? This helps you prioritize maintenance strategically. We've debunked 3 industry standard metrics that hide problems and introduced 4 metrics that actually drive profit and reveal where to focus resources. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.